how to fix YouTube not playing a video. In order to fix YouTube videos that aren't playing, you could start with the most common solutions. So what here you need to do is basically launch open or just check your internet connection. For that, go to settings on your device, and there you want to go to network and internet, and there you have the network internet section. You might want to make sure to refresh it or maybe switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. That can also help you out. Next, you also want to make sure to go to app section and go to YouTube from the list. Locate no storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That should also definitely help you out. Next, if you have any sort of ad blocker or other extensions, VPN, you might want to disable that as well and ensure that the YouTube application is updated to the latest version. So go to your app store and type in YouTube on the search bar. There you have, and you could simply go ahead and update the app, and that should definitely help you out as well. If your computer date is or your mobile date or time is incorrect, it can cause security certificate error that could block video loading as well. You might want to check that by going to your settings as well, and that should definitely help you out. So these are some of the ways you could try in order to fix your YouTube video not playing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.